Hello, and thank you for tuning into Zippo Lion's Den. I would like to show you this Zippo. It is number 29395, America Stamp on Flag. I had received this Zippo as a gift from my girlfriend's aunt last year for Christmas. This is the only box like this I have, so I think that's pretty cool. Doesn't have anything on there. Take this out quick. It is an E 2023, which would be a May 2023. United States of America on a flag. And after this election year, I think it's pretty important to emphasize we are all Americans. I don't care who you voted for. We're all Americans. And as long as we remember that, everything will turn out fine no matter what your beliefs are. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. It's the first time I've ever opened it. It's never been used. It has an F23 insert, so June 2023 insert. Let's see, take some time here and get this flint out of here if I can, one way or another. Oh, I don't see that happening, but anyway, I'll get to that eventually. But it is a sweet looking little lighter. I'm glad to have it in my collection. The aunt that gave it to me is a veteran of the Air Force herself, so you gotta give her credit for that. And I just think it's a very cool looking lighter. I like my flag lighters. I don't have many, but this one's really cool looking. I like the United States of America seal that they have on it, and it makes a wonderful addition to my collection. And like I said, I never had one of these outer white boxes like this for Zippo, and it's kind of neat to have one of those in my collection as well now. So thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like, thumbs up button, subscribe, share, comment below, and have a great day. Thank you.